everyone, this is Armando with lightsatwholesale.com here with another educational video on our RGBW Smart Lights. These last few weeks, we hope we've been helping you and helping to understand which type of InvisiClip you'll want to use on the certain type of home you may have in your area, in your community. Our goal is that through these educational videos, you're getting a better understanding of which type of InvisiClip you will want to use for the home that you're going to do your install. We understand there are different types of homes throughout the country, and I'm sure even within your community, you have a different style and types of homes. So with these videos, we're hoping that the RGBW Smart Lights can not only be effective in your area, but also help you in understanding which InvisiClip will be best to use for your install. So let's go ahead and dive into our next InvisiClip.
This is our Invisi Shingle Tab. The Invisi Shingle Tab is designed to address the variety of roof lines between different styles of homes. It is installed just under the shingle with the lights pointing out, and it's also made from the same quality material as our best shingle tab. The Invisi Shingle Tab slides just under the shingle with plastic teeth that helps keep it in place, which makes your install fast since it can be done from the roof. Here's how they look during the day. Here's the view at night. Takedown is simple. Just slide the Invisi Shingle Tab away from the shingle and store away for next season.